Hello, everybody. If you're listening to this, I hope you're having a great day. I'm just sitting here in the office in my condo where I do some of my thinking when I want some quiet time. And I'm about to go to the gym. And I wanted to put a message out there. You know, this morning I woke up and I actually blocked 12 people off my Facebook page. Yes, 12 people. So I want to talk about that. First, I want to say that in network marketing, you're going to meet people that are going to be friends of yours for life. Okay, they're going to have the same vision as you do. They're going to be there through thick and thin, through good times and bad times. You're going to have great friendships. They're going to have people that you're going to have great friendships with, but eventually they don't see your vision because maybe they're failing in their network marketing business, but they're still respectful people and you're still friends with them. And then you're going to have people that actually just need you to help them. And at the end of the day, all they care about is if they make money or not, and they care less about you. So that's what you're going to have in network marketing. And the reason why I deleted 12 people, guys, is because I am right now on a really fast pace to success with Ignite. I'm on a fast pace to success in life, and I need to have a certain energy flow in my life. I need to have a certain energy flow on my Facebook page. And how I feel is this. There's been plenty of people who have not watered their grass in Ignite and are trying to water the grass somewhere else, hoping that that grass is greener. And you know what? Let me tell you this. If you decide to leave Ignite and do another network marketing company, I respect you. I wish you the most success from the bottom of my heart. I hope that you make millions of dollars and help your family and friends. I really do. I have no qualms with that. I'm not a hater. I'm not jealous. I hope you beat me in the other network marketing company. I'm totally okay with that. So let's get that out of the way. It has nothing to do with being upset with anybody, but as far as for them choosing a different path in their life. But what I've noticed is there's people that I ran for. I ran to New Jersey for. I ran to New York for. I did webinars for. I mean, I put in hours and hours and hours of my time for these people. And along the path, they decided they were going to quit Ignite and jump onto another network marketing company, okay? Which, again, I can respect. But what I'm finding out is these people don't have my best interest in their mind, okay? They're worried about their new company. And what I'm noticing is all the success, and I mean 90% of the success that these people that are jumping into another company are having is from my downline. They're taking people that are frustrated, who think the grass could be greener somewhere else. And you know how that is in life, guys. It happens all the time. It happens in marriages. It happens in jobs, and people regret it, and some people don't regret it. But the point is, I'm just tired. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm just tired of seeing stuff on my wall of other network marketing companies, okay? Don't get me wrong. If you're in Ignite, you're doing Avon on the side, or you're doing Amway on the side. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, you know what company I'm talking about. I'm talking about an actual movement where it feels like 50 people from Ignite have moved over and are doing a certain company, and the success of that company is riding off of what I built in my Ignite team. All I just keep seeing is them recruiting new people from the Ignite team, people that are frustrated. I'm getting associates emailing me all the time saying, hey, these people need to stop cross-recruiting. They need to stop cross-recruiting my team. And guys, here's how I look at it is, okay, I have no problems with my ex-girlfriends, and I'm so happy that they've moved on, and I'm so happy that they have a new boyfriend, and I wish them the best. But I don't want to see their life on my Facebook page wall because I have a new girlfriend and I'm going to a different direction and I want that out of my mind. So I decided this morning that these people are really not my friends. They don't have my best interest in mind. They don't care about Ignite. They don't care about my food on my table. All they care about is themselves and being able to bash my company or try to steal people that are going to get frustrated in the future. And with us going nationwide into a nationwide expansion, I can only imagine what's going to happen when we get to Carolina and Arizona and Utah, and these creepers from the other network marketing company start looking for people that are frustrated, start looking to take people from our downline. And people that would have probably succeeded here, but now left and went somewhere else and are not having success there either. Because I'll tell you right now, it's been almost a year since the people have moved from Ignite to the other network marketing company, and I don't see anybody doing what I'm doing. I don't see anybody doing what some of the leaders in Ignite are doing. They're not financially free. They're not retired. It's not what they thought it was going to be. But I personally just don't want that on my page anymore. If you think some of these people that left Ignite are your friends, and the 12 that I blocked today, I broke bread with, I ran with, but hey, you know what? They never called me and said, hey, George, you know what? Thanks for the 2 years of help. I'm out of here. 2 of them did, but they called after they started doing sneaky stuff, okay? I personally don't want that in my life. I have a vision of where I'm going. My mom taught me very well in business. Sometimes you got to be very tough in business. Sometimes you got to be very secretive and keep people away from your ideas. When I first joined Ignite, I was not friends with any of the PDs and EDs because I didn't know them, and I honestly felt like I'm going to do something really big, and I want my path to be a secret. I want to be like a stealth bomber, and I want to break into the top 50. My mom taught me that. And it works for me, okay? Now I'm friends with everybody because I realize that network marketing doesn't really matter what you do because everybody has a different path. But the point is, guys, the vision that I have and the energy that I have and where I'm going in my life, I'm just tired of seeing all that nonsense on my page, okay? I wish them the best, but in the end of the day, they don't care about me. They don't care about the business. They're looking out for themselves. And if you guys still want to be friends with them, much respect to you, but please be careful because I'm telling you, a lot of people have agendas out there, and they're not always on your side. And don't feel guilty for defriending somebody or not being friends with them because you got to look out for your business. This is not about friendship when it gets to this level. It's about business, smart business, looking out for you, your future, and your family. They could care less, okay? They're not going to put food on your table. And if they keep taking people from your downline, they don't care. So, guys, that's my rant for today. I've waited a year to even say anything. I waited a year to even block people. But now where we're going to nationwide, I'm just tired of people building off of my hard work. I'm tired of people who failed in network marketing, going to other companies and using my work, my success, and then constantly looking for new people they can recruit and having my hardworking associates email me saying, hey, this person better stop cross-recruiting. If your business is so great, build your own team, okay? End of the day, guys, I love you. You guys are rocking. Be careful, be safe, be smart. Let's make some money.